Okay, so let's begin. There are 4 stages of using our e-commerce pro, from setting up your account to understanding your orders and reports, and then using promotional tools to boost your sales, and lastly, getting your shipment and delivery process right. So in today's session, we are going to talk about promotional tool. And of course, the first promotional tool that I'm going to share with you is about vouchers, how to boost your sales with vouchers. But the topic I'm going to cover is type of vouchers and its purpose, how to create vouchers, how to check who claimed the vouchers, and last but not least will be broadcast management. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to do a demonstration to you all. Okay, in order for you to access to your vouchers, first of all, you need to log into your dashboard, New Pages Merchant System. Okay, and once you are in your dashboard, right, you need to go to My Sales, and then under Marketing Tool, and then you will see Voucher. Okay, you will see Voucher. So here, let me explain to you what is all these tabs means. So for ongoing voucher is actually referring to all active vouchers. Okay, for upcoming is future, that is coming soon. Coming soon, that means those soon to active voucher. Okay, for ended, that means those vouchers that's already passed its validity period. And then for all is referring to all types of vouchers, active and inactive vouchers. Now the difference between ended and deactivate. Okay, for ended means it's already past the valid period. Okay, but for deactivated, it actually means this voucher is still active, but for some reason maybe I want to stop. Okay, maybe due to out of stocks. Okay, so I want to stop this voucher, or maybe there's some error, okay, or some mistake, okay, when we create this voucher. So I want to deactivate this voucher. Okay, so this is what it means by deactivated. And then first time voucher. First time voucher, it actually means voucher used for first purchase order. Okay, so let me explain what is all this about. Okay, when you go to any of these tab, right, you will see voucher name. Okay, then the discount amount, how much is the discount? Okay, the remaining vouchers. Okay, how many vouchers has been claimed, and then the total amount. If let's say example, there's this 1,000 vouchers. Okay, one already claimed, so balance is 999. Okay, this is what it means. Okay, then status, the validity of the voucher. Okay, then the action. Okay, over here action, you can actually see the history. How many people actually claim the voucher? Let me share with you an example. Here, there's 3. So I want to know who are these 3 persons that have claimed this voucher. So I can just click on the history, and it will list down for me the order ID. Okay, this is order ID. So let's say I want to find out what is this order that this buyer actually bought. Okay, what is the item that buyer actually bought? Okay, I can just copy this order, and then I go back to my order yesterday. I share with you all under my order here. You will see this order filter. Just need to copy and paste search. Then it will tell me, yeah, this buyer actually purchased this item. Okay, Sony PS5 games. Okay, I can click and then view more detail about this particular order. Okay, so I go back to voucher. Then you will see duplicate. Duplicate means if let's say you have several vouchers that you need to create, and the settings you already set the settings, but you don't want to change some of these settings here. Later I will go through with you, but maybe you want to change in terms of like maybe 5 ringgit. There's another voucher that is cost 10 ringgit or 50 ringgit. So you just want to change the name and the voucher code. All right. So you can just create a duplicate. Okay. Then last but not least will be the edit. If let's say you want to change something, so you can just click on edit. Now for editing of a voucher, right? Okay, you can't change the voucher code. You can only change the voucher name. Anyway, this is just for your reference. I mean, it's just for your own finance reference. Okay, and for you to identify what is this voucher code all about. Okay, you can change this setting. You can change the settings here. And you can change the claim period. Okay, But please take note, for claiming period, right, you can't change the date that you have set. Okay, so let's say example, because yesterday for learning purpose, I've created 3 vouchers just for this purpose of today's learning, right? So you see, yesterday I created, okay, and I want this voucher to start today at midnight, 12 a.m. Okay, I can't change the time, okay, but I can change the end date. So that means I want to, I can change the time, okay, or I can change the date. I can extend it to 31st of July or anytime when you want, okay. So I can extend or I can shorten the duration of this voucher period, okay, or I can add the redemption. Okay, let's say example, because I set it to 100. Okay, first 100, but because due to the response is too good, and then I want to add more vouchers, so I can change. Maybe I want to add additional 100. So the moment I change to 100, right, you can see from here, updated voucher quantity, it becomes 200. Okay, from 100 to plus 100. So if I change to 200, then it will become 300, because earlier when I set is 100. Okay, so you understand this one, the concept of this when you want to do the editing. So let me explain. Okay, here let me explain on how do you create a new vouchers. Okay, you can just click on this red color button here. Okay, so when you click, the moment you click, there's 3 types of voucher. We have normal voucher, first time sign up voucher, and bulk voucher. Let's go to normal voucher first. Okay. So under normal voucher, you will need to fill up the voucher name, the voucher code. Okay. Then there's this voucher type. Okay, you can choose type whether you want it to be store-wide, or store-wide is actually referring to all items, okay, all your products. Okay. Then for product voucher is actually referring to specific product. Okay. Then for free shipping, you can either give customer 100% free shipping, or you can provide customers a certain amount of shipping voucher. Okay, so let's go to store-wide voucher first. Okay, so after you have created your name, let's say example, I created one is July 2023, 19 July, which is today. We are going to have a flash sales 10% today. So the voucher code, maybe like I put flash 10. Okay. Then, but because usually flash sales, it runs for a duration of few hours only. All right. If I say maybe like few days or few weeks of maybe for 1 month, then it's very simple. I just set to 19 today's date, and then I can set until 31st of July. Okay, and that's the end date. But if for a period of maybe few hours, let's say for flash sales 2 hours, then in that case, what you need to do, okay, what you need to do, you need to do the end date first. Okay, that means I choose 19. Okay, then the time I set it to 12, maybe 12 p.m., 12 p.m., later at noon. Then only I can change to today's, select today's data. Then I choose maybe at 9 o'clock now. Okay, maybe 10 o'clock p.m. Okay, so then you can select. Okay, the reason why, because if let's say what happened if I choose the timing first now. Okay, then I put on the 10 a.m. Okay, but because I want to run for 2 hours only, until 12 p.m. Then I can't choose 19. Okay, can you see? So that's why if let's say you want to run your voucher for maybe a duration of several hours on the same day, you need to start with the end first, 12 p.m. and then only you choose the begin. Begin is 10. Let's say 10 o'clock. Okay. Then the discount type, I can choose like fixed amount. Let's say flash sales, there is this maybe 50 ringgit. Or I can set by percentage, maybe like 50%. Okay, fixed amount is easier. You can just put like the amount, like 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 50 ringgit, 100 ringgit, up to you. Okay, but for percentage, when it comes to percentage, right, it can be quite a lot. If let's say your customer is going to buy the purchase the item, right, it's going to cost few hundreds, several thousands. Okay, but that is the reason why you need to set what is the maximum voucher discount you can allow your customer to claim. Okay, even though it's 50%, maybe you can set like maximum 100 ringgit. Okay, otherwise your buyer can continue and buy and buy and buy everything. All item is 50%, unless you don't mind because you have this really mega sales ongoing. Then you just leave it like so. There's no limit. Okay, so what is the minimum card purchase your buyer need to purchase in order for them to enjoy 50%? So if you have a limit, that means a minimum amount that your customer need to achieve before they can enjoy this 50%, then you just put the amount. Let's say, example, they must purchase at least 200, then only they can enjoy 50%. Okay, so then you put 200 up. But if let's say, I mean, you don't mind, okay, then you just set no limit. So then you just leave it blank. Okay, then number of redemption. Okay, always remember this one. You have to set a limit. Okay, number of redemptions. Maybe I allow for the first 100 customer, or maybe for first 100 customer, then a redemption 1 per user. Okay, so this is how you set the normal vouchers. Okay, so then you create. But before that, oh sorry, I need to mention this. Voucher display and applicable product settings. Okay, so meaning that your voucher mode, you want it to be public. That means everyone that visit your website, they can enjoy this voucher, or only for members. Okay, so if you choose public, then everyone can purchase without, even they are not your members also, they can utilize these vouchers. So if you choose only for members, that means they must register as a member first. Okay, then for vouchers display, whether is it shown or is it hidden? Okay, so let's say for example, I put show, right? That means every customers that visit your website, when they purchase something, right? Okay, the moment they go to checkout, let's say I buy this example, I just click on this. Okay, even they are not a member, I add to cart. Let's say I buy this item, add to cart. Okay, I view cart. Then I click on redeem. I'll be able to see the voucher is will appear here. Okay, but if let's say I set it to hidden, that means even if let's say I set this one for members only and then hidden, even for members they can't see it. Okay, so what do you mean by this? Okay, you can use this sort of method, especially if let's say you are conducting something that is exclusive. Okay, an example that I can share with you is that maybe you are conducting something that is live streaming, just like right now I'm doing a live streaming with you all. Okay, then I want you all to stay with me. Okay, I want you all to listen during this live session, because I'm going to share something great with you all. Okay, I'm going to tell you all there's a exclusive vouchers for those of you who actually view this live. Okay, so please stay with me. That later I will share with you all the code. Okay, then those of you who actually attended the live session, right? Then only then they will receive these codes. So this is what we mean by if let's say you want hidden and only share to specific people. All right. Then the status is active or inactive. Whether if active, then everybody can use. Or then if inactive, then you can't show. I mean, the voucher won't display or become deactivated. All right. So here I want to share with you two examples. I mean, some of the example. Yesterday I created 3. In fact, okay, I created 3 vouchers. One is see here, special 19 July live streaming 10. Okay. So when I go to edit, right? Okay, I show that this only for members, and then I choose hidden. Okay, I choose hidden. Oh, one moment now. Cancel first. So okay, for this special 19 July 2023 live streaming, see, this is just an example just to share with you all that is actually hidden. Okay, I don't share it with everyone. I just choose hidden. Okay, then I update. Okay, so nobody know about this voucher unless those of you who attended my live session. Then I will share with you. Okay, I will share with you this code. Okay, so later when we try to buy something, July live, moment. Okay, let's say we go and buy this. Okay, I try to click on redeem, then I enter the code. So now you know already because now I'm sharing this code to you. Okay, so you just search. Okay. Now can you see there's this member only 10 ringgit. Okay, now you can use. Okay, so only exclusive to those of you who actually have this. I mean, just for example, this is not really a real vouchers. This is just for learning purpose only. All right. So this is how you create the normal under hidden, even as hidden from your members. All right. So another one is I created is the upcoming one, which if you look here, there's another one which is flash sales 50%. Okay, so if let's say I go to create, edit the vouchers, right? You will see that yesterday when I create these vouchers, right, I put the validity period is at 9:50. So now it's 9:47. So we have 3 more minutes before this voucher is going to activate. So this voucher will run for 2 hours now. Okay, each voucher I set to a limit of 2 redemption. Okay, and it's a 50% for 90 product. Okay, and I set a limit of when discount when reach 100, they must purchase at least 100 ringgit, then only they can enjoy this promotion. Now for this voucher, right, is under product. Okay, so if you remember, one moment, I go back here. When I create a vouchers, when I create a new vouchers under normal, okay, so when I choose product vouchers, okay, so when I choose product voucher is somewhat similar to store-wide voucher. It's just that product vouchers, when I choose this one, right, it will have another column here where I need to add a specific product. Okay, so I need to choose the product. So like for example, open in another new tab. Okay, here I have an example for your upcoming. Okay, when I go and do the editing, okay, you will see that this is actually the product that I've created. Okay, so that means as long as customers buy this product, then they will enjoy the flash sales 50%. Okay, and again, I leave it to you because yesterday I create this voucher is only for member. You can put it as public also can, no problem. But I mean, I leave it to your creativity because sometimes when you come up with a vouchers, you will definitely want to create a community, create a followers so that they become your member, right? So that's the reason why you can integrate with the member and loyalty program plugin. Okay, so that from here you can actually build your membership. Okay, so but I leave it to you all. If you want to open to public, then depending on your budget. Okay, so then we go to another one which is still the same on normal voucher, but here we'll go to the third one, which is a free shipping voucher. Okay, so free shipping voucher is the same as the normal store-wide voucher. You put the claim period, end period, cap. If let's say I don't want to put 100% free shipping, if I want to choose 100% free shipping, then I'll choose this one. But if let's say I want to cap at 5, how much? Let's say 5 ringgit, then I'll just put 5 ringgit. Minimum, what is the minimum purchase they need to buy in order for them to purchase and enjoy this? If you don't want them to set a minimum purchase, then you just leave it blank. The number of redemption, maybe you want to put at 1,000 customers. Each redemption one, again, then is open to public, okay, to enjoy the free shipping, and then voucher is shown and then active. Okay, again, yesterday also I created one under the vouchers here, which is free shipping. Yeah. Okay, so this is the title of the voucher name. This is the voucher code. Okay, so after you've created, right, let's go back to normal voucher. This one I forgot to mention to you all. Yeah, For store, this one take note. For store-wide voucher, you can combine with free shipping voucher. Okay. And same thing for product voucher, you can combine with free shipping voucher. Okay. But you can't combine this store-wide voucher with product voucher. Okay. And for product vouchers, right? Once, let's say you choose product vouchers, right? Under here, right? Okay. You have selected the selected item, right? Okay. You cannot use that for that particular product for store-wide voucher. Okay. This is what we mean by that. Okay. So you cannot combine. Okay. And once you have created, right? You can go back to voucher here. And then you go to under your card. Let's say you log in as member already. And once you have logged into your member, okay, then your voucher will appear here. Okay, discount voucher, type of vouchers, what are the vouchers? Okay, that you can enjoy. Okay, so you can see all the vouchers available. I mean, for member side, for your customers, they can once they register as member, they log in as member, they can view their vouchers here. Okay. So I go to the next one, which is the first time sign up vouchers. For the first time sign up vouchers, right? Now here, there's only one option, only for members. That means they must sign up, register as a member, then only they can enjoy this first time voucher. Okay, again, same thing, voucher name, voucher code. Okay, then you want them to enjoy all items for new member or only for selected item they can purchase. Then you choose do your selection here. Okay, then voucher claim period and end period, and then discount type fixed amount or by percentage. All right. So if you choose a product, then here will appear add product. Okay, then we go to bulk voucher. Okay, for bulk voucher, the concept is the same as normal voucher, but it's just that if let's say you want to create a voucher series, okay, sometimes vouchers, right, on top right hand corner there's this series numbers. Okay, so maybe you have a lot of vouchers, maybe like 1,000 or 2,000 vouchers. Usually those vouchers that you see at Aeon or those supermarkets, that they issue you that kind of vouchers. Okay, so you can create that. So again, it's a claim period from when to when, fixed amount, maybe like 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, or by percentage. Okay, then number of redemption. Maximum you can put 2,500. Maximum is 2,500, and always remember to set a limit. Okay, maybe like maximum one person can have 2 vouchers. Okay, so then after that you just create, and it will list down a series of vouchers, the serial number. All right. So here these are the vouchers, type of vouchers that you can create. And yeah, because just now I show you there's this upcoming vouchers, right? At 9:50, now it's 9:54 already. Let's try to utilize that voucher. We go and search for that particular product. Okay, 50%. Okay, so there's this available voucher 50%. So I add to cart. I view voucher. This one I delete first. Okay, I can redeem this. Okay. Select the product only. Oh, must be 100. Is it meaning must be at least 100? Then only I can redeem. See, now then I can redeem this 50%. Okay, valid from now until 12 p.m. 100. So this is what we mean by flash sales. Okay, how you another example to share with you all. Okay, so that's for the voucher. There's another one which is the broadcast management. Okay, for broadcast management, these are very useful if let's say your customers, right, they their activity. I mean, they add to cart, okay, but they abandon their cart, okay, for quite some time, and you know that you know that they actually add to cart, but they didn't do anything. All right. So how do you see this? You can actually see from yesterday. You can refer back to yesterday my video when I talked about the report. Okay, I actually got mentioned about product performance. You can see some of that. There's this add to cart. Okay, so you can actually create a broadcast message and send this as a reminder to your customers. Okay, you can create by clicking on the create broadcast and then put the broadcast name and then broadcast email subject. Okay, then your broadcast message. Okay, as you type here, okay, example, it will show here, dear sir or ma'am. Okay, this is the message that you can create. Then you can add vouchers. Okay, to encourage them to make purchase of those maybe they overlook, maybe they forget about this, then you can add some vouchers for them. Okay, so I've created one broadcast to share with you all. Let's say example here, your broadcast history, okay, it will show here, and then you can view. Okay, let's say example here, there's this broadcast name is purchase remind, and then the email subject is grab the offer now. Okay, here is the voucher for you. Grab the offer now while stock lasts. Okay, so on your customer side, right, they will receive the email something like this. Here's the voucher. Grab the offer now. Okay, this is the voucher. The user code, I mean the voucher code is this, and then to enjoy 100 ringgit off. Okay, valid until 31st of August. All right. So this is also to remind your buyer, to tell them that, hey, you have something maybe you overlook, you forget about that. Okay, then to bring them back and make purchase from your website. Okay, so that's about the broadcast message management and types of vouchers and those vouchers that I've created. Some of the example for you all. You all got any questions? Maybe you can type in the chat or Q&A. We will answer your questions. If not, then I want to share with you all on our plugin as well. Now, today I'm going to touch on two plugins. One is sales landing page. The other one is social media synchronization. So overall, we have total 11 plugins, just for your info. In the past 2 days, I've shared Facebook, my chatbot, and marketplace synchronization. So today, let me go through with you all on sales landing page and social media synchronization. So if you find that is very useful in terms of this plugin for your website, then maybe you can consider. Okay, so for sales landing page, right, this is to create a custom landing page for your sales team. I mean, if let's say you do have a team of sales personnel that is running actively, I mean, helping you to gain sales, then you can actually consider this sales landing page for your staff, I mean, for your sales team. Okay, how it works is that we will, I mean, it comes with this personalized website for your salesperson. Okay, you can put like about your salesperson, of course, not their personal lifestyle. It's about maybe their name, okay, their working experience, their background, I mean, related to their work, and then you can also show their activities that they have conducted. And then, of course, you can also list down your company product, okay, on their page. And you can also put their client testimonials to give them more support platform. I mean, this is a support platform for them, so that when they share their contact with their prospect, it looks more professional, okay, and their prospect will have more confidence in them and as well as in your company. All right, so the second one is social media sync. It's a one-click social media sharing. Okay, you can promote your website on every channel, meaning that if let's say today you have a new product, then you use your mobile phone to take a picture, and then you launch our new pages merchant apps using your mobile. After you have captured, then you upload the product on your website, and what it happens is that you can straight away synchronize to your Facebook account, okay, without having you to go to your Facebook and upload this particular product again. Okay, then It also can work on your Instagram. For Instagram, you need to post a picture on your Instagram. Then after that, it will sync to your website. Okay, it can support up to 2 Facebook pages and 2 Instagram profiles, just to share with you all. All right, so these 2 plugins that I want to share with you today. Okay, and if let's say if you got any questions, then maybe you can keep in touch with us, or you can scan the QR code, or you can PM your account manager. Okay, if you are not yet on e-commerce, and if you are interested to add e-commerce as one of the features on your current website. Okay, if not, then thank you for your time. I promise you all 30 minutes per day, and it's already 10 o'clock already. All right. If you all got any question, you can continue to post the question in the Q&A. If not, then thanks once again. Thanks. All right. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.